Cron is a relatively new calendar app and one of the best app to use all of your scheduling, events, tasks and meetings. Cron Calendar is in their beta stage and you have to request access to get the access to the app because it's not available for all of the people. So let's discuss some of the best tips and tricks about Cron Calendar and that will help you to organize your life. 1. Share availability. This is a useful feature to let someone to know you are free at that time and you can arrange an event or a meeting or anything else. Number 2, adjust number of days to show on the screen. You can easily show number of days you want to show on the screen. Like on the default apps, calendar apps, you will see 7 days like Monday to Sunday. But in Cron Calendar, you can easily determine the number of days you can show on the screen to easily navigate through all those days. Number 3, color code. You can easily color code your events to categorize your event and show different meaning to it. You can just right click on the event to open all the colors available on the app. Fourth one is day, week and month view. You can easily navigate to the daily view, weekly view and monthly view to take overlook of things, and you can easily drag and drop between these things also. Fifth one, free, busy and event visibility. You can alter event visibility like free and busy to show other people when your event will happen. If you set on the free, then in between the event, the other people will see that you are free, and if you are set busy, then the other people will say busy. You can set the event availability to private and public according to your choice. The sixth one is drag and drop ICS file. ICS files, those have all the details of any event or meeting, and you can just drag and drop the file to automatically added to the calendar. The seventh one is time zone switcher. For people working across time zones, you can easily navigate through all those additional time zones by just clicking the plus button to add the time zones. And if you want to make it primary, then you just have to drag and drop to the right of the calendar, right of those bar, and you will see that time zone will be on the primary position. The eighth one is grid density and resizing. By default, the vertical density of the grid should be just right, and you just have to go to setting menu and you can see zoom in, zoom out, and you can use shortcuts also. For zoom in, you can press Ctrl Shift dot. For zoom out, you can press Ctrl Shift comma, and for the default hour size, you can press Ctrl Shift 0. Ninth one is create and edit repeat event. Using the editing like repeating or recurring events, you can easily edit the repeat pattern itself in the context panel, or you can create entirely new repeat event also. The 10th one is keyword shortcuts. You can see all of the list by going to productivitysite.com, and you can see Cron Calendar tips and tricks, or you can just click on the description to visit there, learn about all those keyboard shortcuts, or you can easily learn about the keyboard shortcuts on the app also. You just have to press the question mark bottom on the keyboard, and on the sidebar they will show lots of keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for listening and watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more amazing video, personal development video in future.